Okay guys, now we're going to have a look at a brand new hotel in Benidorm. What's the hotel called, Marcus?
Hotel Barcelo Benidorm Beach.
Thanks,
Are you
mate.
Marcus?
Yeah?
I've been on your call.
Sorry about that, one of Marcus's fans there. Yes, we're going to have a look at it and see what it looks like. This is the one that they started work on about 5 years ago, I think. And they run out of money on it. I've never ever seen this place open, but the story is it got closed and then somebody else took it over. Well, somebody else bought it, and while they were messing about with it got burnt out. And as I say, the other guy another team came in, they've run out of money. So this team have actually got it up and looking really good now. It's just down here.
Okay, as father saying, it could be a new contender for the number one Benidorm Beach Hotel.
It must be Marcus Day today. Nobody knows me. Yeah, it could be. It's brand new though at the moment, so.
Don't worry, Dad, I'll get you a little sticker that says, "Hi, my name is Benidorm at Mike."
Right, what was this? The original name of this then?
Hotel Solomar.
Solomar. So if you've been to Benidorm, you probably know where we're at. Right on the beachfront here. And you really are going to be close to the beach. Just coming down to it now. There it is, hiding behind the tree. Still not open. We've had different reports when it's actually going to open. Some people are saying October and some people are saying in November. I think it just depends how the finishing touches go. It's a really nice, smart hotel. Rooftop garden, I should imagine.
It's a question,
Full.
When coaches are dropping people off, staying there, where's the drop-off and pick-up point?
That's going to be a bit tight whichever way they come.
Would it be round by Bristol or down on the Med or something?
We've still got a few finishing touches to do to it, but I should imagine it's near enough ready now. All the tables out there, you can see. They can't be far off opening.
New tables and chairs, then. Still got the
it's a new apartment, a new hotel rather. You didn't even expect to put the old ones back in.
Yeah, I've still got the tags on from Carrefour.
There we go. There's the rooms going back. There you all get a sea view. Right over scattered Scattered up. What's the word I'm looking for, Marcus? Quick.
I don't know. I'm finding it weird that you got fans on the sun terrace.
Where's that?
Down there.
Alright, you've got big fans out there. It's obviously going to be a sitting out area. Great people watching. So the bar will be somewhere here, I would have thought.
Probably,
on the corner, and you'll be sat out there. This might be the door into the bar there. You see, it's still got the workers in at the moment. Amazing how these things happen there. Yeah, I think you'll get pretty well sun on most of them balconies. There's a bit of cleaning up needs doing as well. Just going to have a walk around the back now. We've got school just over the road there.
Sounds like in a riot.
Doing something. That will wake you up in the morning now. I've got some rooms on the back there. Looking absolutely fantastic there. If anybody knows when it's opening, when it's actually going to be open.
Recent I've heard 2nd of October.
I would have thought they'd want to get it out before the end of the season anyway. She's going a bit quieter now, but yeah, Christmas coming as well, I suppose. Wouldn't be too bad a place to stay, would it? Depending on what entertainment. And I don't know if they got the pool up the top. I should imagine there's a pool up the top.
Probably, yeah.
And a bar. Right. Right, guys, I think we're going to leave this one here. Wish them all the best. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you haven't already. We'll see you. Can't talk today. We'll see you on the next one. There's one coming up in the card if you want to watch that. I'm going to put a little playlist on there of some of the latest ones we've done. Okay, see you on the next one, guys.